Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today we're gonna start a mini series and we are gonna build some town fortifications. Stay with me. This is a very modular project. We will create pieces that actually you can combine and create a beautiful environment for your town, for your village, and it's very nice because it's totally modular, okay? The first part is about the wall segment. Crack on! Let's start with a piece of foam 1 inch thick. Using my carpenter's square and a sharp cutter, I create 4 6-inch long and 4-inch tall pieces. For my project you need 4 pieces, but you are free to do as much as you want. At this point I use the cutter technique, followed by my ballpoint pen to create the brick pattern. The brick pattern I use is widely explained in my tutorial number 3. Take a look. Draw the bricks over the entire piece, with the exception of the base. Here we screw 4 screws of medium length to add weight and therefore stability to the base. Now the wooden walkways. We will need 3 mm round sticks, balsa wood sticks with a square section of about 5 mm, and coffee stirrers. We first create the supports using the cut mat as a guide. For each walkway we need 4 pieces of balsa wood 3.5 inches long. To make them more interesting and realistic, I have improved the wooden grain with the use of my cutter and a drawing pin. Now we can glue our legs to 2 coffee stirrers so as to lock the structure. Let's hold them an inch away, always using the cut mat as a guide. Don't worry too much if at this moment everything is not perfectly at a straight angle, because we will correct it with the next step. Now we cut 4 pieces of coffee stirrers, 1 inch long, and taking our time, we use them as reinforcement to put the support legs at the right angles. When everything is perfectly straight, we can turn our scaffolding to complete it with the boards of the walkways. Using the hot glue, I advise you to glue a maximum of 4-5 pieces at a time, so as not to make the glue cool down too much. You can glue the planks by following several techniques. You can first cut all the pieces about the same length and then glue them together, or, as I did, paste the wool and then cut out at the end. It is very important that the ends are aligned as much as possible. This will create a better effect once the walkways are next to the wall. At this point you can leave your wall as it is, or as you can see here, add the lace. To do this, I move the wire of the proxon to an angle about 30 degrees to give my laces a more interesting look. Once I got pieces about an inch high and about an inch and a half wide, I used the usual technique to make bricks. I then glued the laces on top of my walls, aligned them to the outside. With the same technique, I then created a pair of reinforcements for the wall, as you see here. These are 2 inches tall and 1 inch wide. The thickness tapers slightly towards the upper end. Being a very fast project, I used a very simple basic painting technique. First, I gave a layer of acrylic black. Then I colored the walkways with different shades of brown. For the walls, I used different shades of grey, working with a wet technique. At the end of the entire project, it will be important to finish everything with a dry brush of the same color to harmonize all the pieces created and make them look like one single project. And that's it. Easy, fast, and impressive. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!